Hi, 5th grade. Today is Thursday, January 7th, and we're going to get started. Today's assignment, I didn't change anything. So if you have already completed the tasks that your teacher went over, don't worry about this video, you can be done. If you have not done these, then we are going to work on them right now together, okay? So if you've already finished the reading assignments because your teacher went over them, you're good to go. If not, hang on and you can get some extra help with me. So we're going to look at poetry structure. We're going to read this poem and we're going to talk about stanzas and the lines. So stanzas is kind of like each paragraph. So usually there's a little space and you just order them normally. And then the lines you're just going to number as you go down. You can see I have the first couple done. I've already filmed this video once and then it deleted on me. So I have the answers done for part of it. That's why I'm covering this corner right here because I don't want you to see the answers yet. And then rhyme scheme looks at the last word and which ones rhyme together. Okay, so I'm going to read the poem, and then we're going to go through this. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. And be one traveler long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could, so where it bent in the undergrowth. This is stanza number 1, so put a number 1 there. Then I took the other just as fair, and having perhaps a better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear, though as for that the passing there had worn them really about the same. Stanza number 2. And both that morning equally lay, in leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. Stanza number 3. I shall be telling this with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. Stanza number 4. Okay, so we're going to go back over and we're going to look at the rhyming structure, the rhyming scheme. So if we look at this, we're looking at the last word of each line and seeing if they rhyme. The first word of every stanza is automatically an A. And then we look at the next one. If it rhymes, it's also an A. If it does not rhyme, it's a B. So let's look. Would, both. Do they rhyme? No. So both is B. They don't rhyme, so one's an A and one's a B. Now we still have a couple left in the stanza to go through. Stood. So, does stood rhyme with would? Stood, would? Yes, so it's an A. Could. Could, would. Do they rhyme? Yep, so it's an A as well. Then undergrowth. Undergrowth, would. Do they rhyme? No. Does it rhyme with both though? Both growth? Yes, so it's a B. It rhymes with that second word, making them in group B. Now we're going on to stanza number 2. Since we're on stanza number 2, our rhyming words are changing. So we're not looking at these anymore. We're starting over. So since our first word is fair, that's automatically an A. Then let's go. Fair, claim. Do they rhyme? No, so it's a B. Fair, where. Do they rhyme? Yes. That's an A. Fair, there. Where? Fair, where, there. They all need to rhyme now. Do they rhyme? Yes. So it's another A. And then our last one is same. Same fair or same claim? What do you think, an A or a B? It's a B. Now looking at these, we've had A, B, A, A, B, A, B, A, A, B. Prediction on what you think this next one's going to be? Let's look. Our first word is a new word, so automatically an A. Lay, black. Do they rhyme? Nope. So it's a B. Then we've got day. Lay, day. Do they rhyme? Yeah, so it's an A. Yeah. Way. Lay, way. They rhyme. Another A. Back. Lay, back. Or black, back. It's a B. This last one you're going to do on your own. Follows that same rule. And then our words are sigh, hence, I, by, and difference. Don't forget to finish numbering your lines here. Okay? And then when you're done with this sheet, we do have a metaphor sheet. So, in his essay, Education of Poetry, Frost writes that about metaphors. He states, poetry begins in trivial metaphors, pretty metaphors, grace metaphors, and goes on to the profoundest thinking that we have. Poetry provides the one permissible way of saying one thing and meaning another. Try your hand at creating an extended metaphor. You'll write a paragraph in which you explain your metaphor. Okay? So they said school, party. We're not actually having a party at school, but they're saying that school is like a party because there's lots of excitement, fun with friends, and presents. So what's homework like? Maybe homework is like, I think it's exciting, so maybe, or I think it's boring. So what's something that's boring? You got to think of something there, and then why? Cell phone is, so what a cell phone is, and that you can't just say cool or something. So you got to come up with your metaphors and then explain why you think that. Computers and then music. Okay? So do your best on this one. They can be tricky. So if you need more help, just let me know and I can video chat with you and help you some more with metaphors, because metaphors are pretty tricky at times. Okay. Like I said, if you need more help, just let me know. But these are the two assignments. They're the same ones your teacher went over, so maybe there's something else added in their videos that'll make it a little bit easier to understand. Keep up the great work, and I hope to see you soon.